Hi guys and welcome to text-to-speech tutorial to be developed in C#. First of all, I'm going to go to project and I want to import. You see where we have add reference, click on that. What we want to import in here is the speech library itself. So just type in speech, and once you type in speech you will see the rest of it here. Click on that and then click on OK. That's it, the speech is added. Now double click on the form. And right here, you now want to import the speech library itself. So just come right in here, enter using system dot speech and dot synthesizes and enter column. Now right underneath public partial form, you now want to create your speech object in there. So I'm just going to accept that and come right here and enter my object name, which I call SAPI, will be equals new speech synthesizer right there. Grab hold of that and enter. There we go. Now I'm going to go back to my form. So come right here and double click on the button. I'm also going to come down here and just double click on the text box. There we go. I have the text box here. That's my text box. And right underneath here, I'm just going to add my button. And if you want to change anything here, click on the properties and just change that to speak. Now double click on that very button, and right in here you now want to just enter sapi dot speak, and that is going to be whatever we have inside text box 1 dot text to speech. So you run it now. You can press F5, or you can just go into build to get a build, or press F5. And right there, your system is ready. All you need to do is to enter whatever you want in there. So I'm just going to enter how to create a text to speech in C#. So let's click on play.
How to create a text-to-speech in C#.
And that's how you create your own text to speech in C#, guys. So with that, I'm gonna call it the end of this very brief tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed, and you all have a nice day now. Bye for now.
How to create a text-to-speech in C#. Goodbye.